in my mail that came through the mail, and I went through all the brochures looking for windows, and I gave them a call. I liked their advertisement. They were so accommodating, so friendly, put me at ease right away, told me exactly what to expect, what they were going to do, the cleanup, and how everything was going to turn out, how long it was going to take. Oh, it was fantastic. He said, when they left, he says, you don't even know we were upstairs. And it was true. Everything, they cleaned up everything was fit. The windows fit like a glove, because before they were put in, one particular window rattled so loud at night it kept me awake. And now I heard nothing. It was dead silent, so it was beautiful. And the room temperature was perfect. Just a good, all around installation was great. Cleanup was great. I definitely would tell my children and anybody that wants to change a window to try you guys.